So I was playing with this some more. This is the gate. That's 50 microseconds. That's on this side of the bridge rectifier. This goes to ground. The power supply is on the other side. So this is positive. This is a ground drive. This is where the other scope is, which is the blue line. Which is the yellow line on the opposite end of the coil. This is the transistor. I've turned up the gate some. Right, so I can turn it down to like no signal. 1 microsecond spot as low as I can get. And the flat spot is drive. And I don't get a sharper peak. So this is a long drive on the coil, and then off again. And then, so the gate's neutral. This is the emitter, sort of. I don't really see that. I should pause that. Right, that's it's 10 millivolts, and that's just across this wire. If I go on the other side of the diode, then that's just a resistance. So that's theoretically a current draw. And that's like $227 kilohertz. But it's variable, it looks like. So it's shorter. Right, that's 312 kilohertz. I don't know, it could be shorter. This last one. It's 284 kilohertz. It should be shorter than this. Yeah, that looks like 284 too. But this is longer than 284. And then each one of those pulses looks like one pulse on the other end to the other scope. The pulses are those. If I change the voltage setting on a probe, see that's 1 volt. That's actually times 10. That's 1 volt sync. And again, that's after the drive. This is the gate signal. This is the gate signal. I got a whole bunch of noisy ones. And then quieter ones. And this is 36.7 kilohertz, which is approximately the resonating frequency of these cells. I should, I don't know, put this on a live stream or something. So, if I literally ground the emitter, which is here, and I get a ring, I don't know if you can hear, but my channel 2 goes off the chart, which is the end of the coil passes the bridge rectifier. The gate's still there, which is the gate open there, and it's not doing much of anything at the moment. That's interesting. Oh, this came off. Okay. But if I literally ground the emitter, then it still works, and actually the signal gets better. I get peakier here. Now that's 4 volts or something, 2.5. But this is gone off the charge. I guess that's only 200 millivolt. I moved this. This isn't the gate anymore, because I already know that the gate is like a thing during this time. It's drawing 36 amps now with that grounded. Without it grounded, I still have that grounded. Ground. Ground. And I'm not sure why that coil would be resonating with this directly to ground and through a bridge rectifier, which is resistance. And the scope is grounded to that side too. The portable scope on the left is grounded to the emitter, and the scope on the right is grounded to ground, that same ground that I just grounded the emitter to. I don't know if I can get any power out of this.